Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into mining blocks. Now they've added the 2FA security option to your account, and I'm going to be showing you how to activate it the right way so if things go wrong you don't lose your account. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so here we are in my mining blocks account. It's been about 2 weeks since the last time we were in here, and 2 weeks ago we were at level 36 up here. You can now see we're pretty much most of the way to level 39. We also had 2 weeks ago 55 gigahashes. You can now see we are at 71, which is a very nice jump. So basically how we've done this is that we have managed to upgrade yet another one of our Christmas miners, basically accumulating enough block, selling parts on the marketplace, doing all the faucets, the PTC ads, short links, all that kind of stuff, obviously. And like I say, we have boosted our account from just over 10% to now over 11%. And like I say, obviously we're nearly at that level 39, which will then push our account up even further. Okay, so what is today's video about? It is about the new update that Mining Blocks have just added, which is the 2F security update, which I advise everybody to activate. Basically, we've had it before with other sites where sites dealing in large amounts of crypto do now and again tend to get hacked. But you'll always find, I shouldn't say always, but mostly you will find that the accounts that actually get hacked are usually the ones that do not have 2FA security activated. And the reason for this is because hackers get into systems, they want to get in, make a quick score and get out and leave as little trace as possible. If they're hanging around for long periods of time trying to hack 2FA security, it just goes against everything that they're trying to do, and they're most likely going to get caught. So they're always going to go for the easiest targets, and the easiest targets are accounts that do not have 2FA security activated. So we're going to look at doing that today, but we're going to be looking at it doing it the right way, because there is an easy way. But the problem is, if you take the easy way, somewhere down the line something's going to go wrong and you could well lose your account. So I'm going to show you how to do it correctly, and basically after that it's entirely up to you. So anyway, let's get into this. So what we've got to do, firstly, we will go up here and we go into profile. Then you want to come along here to where it says security. Now this is your 2FA area. You're going to see you've got a QR code here that you're going to be scanning into your mobile phone. But before you do that, the first thing you need to do, and this is normally the mistake that everybody makes because they forget to do it or they don't realize they have to do it, but later on down the line they will wish they had done it. So basically underneath, this is the QR code that you're going to be scanning in a bit. But as you can see underneath, there is a very long code number. Now this code number is essentially your secret code, and you only use that in the event of an emergency. So basically, if you lose your mobile phone, or if the Google Authenticator app stops working or something like that, the point of this code is that if something like that happens, like I say, the software crashes or you lose your phone, you get your phone stolen, you can use this long code to still allow you to access your account even without the Google Authenticator. So that will allow you back into your account. If you do not have that, most sites, not all sites, but most sites will refuse to help you, because the point of 2FA security is to prevent any accounts getting hacked. So that essentially becomes useless if, say, I could just get in touch with Mining Blocks support and say, oh, my Google Authenticator app has broken, or I've had my mobile phone stolen. Can you reset it and then allow me access to my account? Because anybody could do that. If they've got enough information from you, you know, if they've got your email address and say your original password, they could access your account if the site reset the 2FA security. So like I say, most sites won't do that, because that is the point of it, is that it is absolutely secure and you are the only person with the keys to get into your account. So that's what I'm saying. This code, and it's always the same with all 2FA security, it makes sure if there is a code like this on the screen, you write it down on a bit of paper and you store it away safely. So if something like what I've talked about earlier happens, you can dig that code out, you can put it into the account, and then you can access your dashboard and your account. But like I say, if you don't have that, most sites won't allow you to do it. So make sure you write this down before you even download the Authenticator app. Okay, so I'm assuming you've now written down the code. Hoping you've written down the code. So now what you want to do is go and download the Authenticator app. Dead easy. Go to the Play App Store. You can get it. I'm fairly certain it must be available for iPhones as well. So just obviously go and get that. Then what you want to do is you want to open up that app. When you open up that app, it's going to be pretty much blank. There's not going to be a lot in there. But in the bottom right hand corner, I believe there is a large plus sign. And then basically what you want to do is you click on the plus sign. And what will happen then is basically the view from your camera will appear on the screen with a red square. And then what you do is you line up that red square around the QR code, and then basically it will log your account onto the app. So we're going to do that now. I'm going to try and see if you can hear the activation. So we're pressing the plus sign. Actually, once you press the plus sign, it comes up with an option of either scan a QR code, which is what we're doing, or enter setup key. So we're going to scan the QR code. Okay, so we get that close to the screen. We find it. Okay. I don't know if you heard that. I thought I'd got my phone on sound, but I actually got my phone on vibrate. So there's a little bit of a boop, and that's about it. Okay, so if we scroll to the bottom. So I can see it, obviously you can't. It says Mining Blocks. It's given me the code number. Now, and the reason why 2FA security is so secure is basically once you've scanned the QR code and you have it's activated in the app, you will see a 6-digit code number. And you'll also see on the right hand side of that code number a timer which runs down. Now that runs down every 15 seconds. And basically what that is like, it's like resetting your password every 15 seconds. So it's very, very difficult for a hacker to even get into your account if you have 2FA security enabled. So we're going to basically do what it says. So obviously it doesn't matter. I can type this code in onto the screen. It makes no difference because, like I say, in 15 seconds, that's going to reset anyway. Okay, so we'll just wait for it to reset itself. Right, so 947288, and then we go activate. And then you go, you are already activated. Why it says you're already activated, I don't know. But there you go, it has been activated. Now what we do, if we go back to dashboard, then we log out. So we log out. And then we log back in. We do our capture. Because remember, the 2FA is an added security, so it's not replacing anything. It's actually an additional layer of security. Okay, so there we go, log in. And there you go. And this is where you will now look at your authenticator app. You'll see, you'll scroll down if you've got a lot of codes on there like myself. You'll scroll down to the bottom. You'll see mining blocks, and then what you do is you wait for it to reset. So you've got a full 15 seconds to type it in. 6303, and then you go log in, and then that's it. Like I say, it doesn't replace any of the original security. So obviously you still have to put your username in, you still have to put your password in, you still got to do the capture as you saw, and then once you've done that, you click login, and then it will ask you for your 2FA security code, and then that's it. Like I say, it is an additional level of security. It's not replacing any of your security. So make sure that, like I say, you get that done. Make sure that you write that initial code number down, and then everything should be okay. And then, like I say, in the event of anything happening, you should have that code number, which you can then type in the event of you losing your app or your phone with the app, or the app corrupting and stuff like that. And then you should still be able to access your account with that. But like I say, most sites, if something like that happens and you do not have that passcode, that secret passcode, they won't allow you to access your account. I have literally known people to lose thousands of dollars of cryptocurrency because they could not access their account because they did not write down that secret code, and then something happened, and then they basically didn't have their authenticator, lost their phone, whatever, and that they literally lost thousands of dollars because of that. So I'm making this video because I want to make sure it does not happen to you guys, and everything's all good, and in the event of anything bad happening, you can still get to your coins. Okay, so that is all I was going to show, so I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you can, smash that like button. It really, really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.